Well, my friends, it's been kind of busy here lately. Not quite sure why, but right now it's empty. So we're gonna take advantage. I got a little bit of gifty gift I want to leave. Hey, my friends. I haven't been in here in so long. It feels so good. The water's starting to rise. They've been pulling water from here a lot lately. Huh. It's a tennis ball. It's pretty beat up. So all those places that we go, when I say Zena track, this is where it all started. Slow progression. I started coming barely in and starting at this spot, gifting here. And then I worked my way in a little bit by little bit. They would not, I'll be honest, they would not give me a lot. I felt like I was supposed to be here. Now I understand. It came full circle, and I understand why. I was supposed to make contact with this tribe, but I'll tell you, it was so difficult. Like, they were very, very stern with me. They would not give me a lot. Very, very little bit, but made me gain every foot of the forest. This particular spot does not go in very far. It's probably only like maybe a mile stretch. And I'd say it took me, for them to allow me all the way through, it took me a couple months at least. Looks like a white face back there on that tree above the reeds. Couple things right there. I hear people saying like that they've heard that they energize in the trees. They energize off everything. They are one with everything. Like, the best tip I can give you is the sooner you stop separating Sasquatch from the forest around it, like, viewing it as because it is something that physically can walk around, but that's not what its main purpose is. It is one with nature, like figuratively and metaphorically. Guys, my friend Ian comes in here, and he really wants to get to know you guys. A lot of people do. Some good people. A handful of great people. I really hope you guys give him a try. Because I'm very limited. Very limited to the time I can spend up here with you. And I know you're an ancient tribe. I know you guys have a lot to offer. I know it. I spoke to them about the babies. We know the babies are over there. We won't interfere with any of that. We'll stay along the shoreline. Scuffs, probably deer. See the big giant X up there? See that big giant X? Crosses right there. It's about 50 feet up in the air, 40, 50 feet in the air. Underneath that is where they keep the babies. So, I don't know. Take that to the bank. You know, that's a fact. I don't know if that's what that means. You know, if people always ask me what the X means, I don't know. I don't think anything has one meaning or one purpose. I'll tell you right now, when you see 3 X's, what my understanding is, like at Bubba's, he puts 3 X's down. That's like a fence. Like, that's as good as a fence in our, you know, you won't see it a lot, but that's as good as a fence for humans. Like marking property. Alright guys, I got some stuff to do. I just wanted to make a little video. I'm going to put in a couple of minutes here by myself. I'll make a long video before I go back. Before I leave Catskill Park, I'll do a big video, okay? Thank you guys. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next one.